So to start off with making the face shell, I printed out this pattern, which you can get into the description below, from another YouTuber who's really cool and does a whole bunch of these print-out DIY masks and props like that. Anyway, did the sizing based on what the video recommends and did a paper cutout to make sure everything fits, and I used those lenses I made, which were based off the last one I made, to make sure that everything was correct, and it was actually a bit bigger, which was good because I have a bit bigger of a head than that last one. Anyway, once I made sure that the paper cutout was the right fit, I cut it apart and put it onto my cereal box, which is what he recommended for a semi-rigid fit. And it actually is pretty nice. I had some extra cereal boxes, so I might as well have used them. You could use cardboard or foam. Foam might actually make it have the same spider-like shape, Spider-Man-like shape, but also conforming to your head as well. I might actually try that in the future, but I didn't have time for that here. So if I do that, I might post a update about that on my Instagram. Go check that out. The link will be in the description. If you're using a cereal box, taping it together first would be the best method rather than hot gluing it, just to double make sure everything fits together. Also, the benefit of using tape is if you tape the corners together on the outside and hot glue on the inside, you're at less risk of burning yourself, and you can get cleaner seams. That's because the hot glue will stay on the inside and won't seep onto the outside, but I ended up hot gluing the outside anyway for extra strength. I taped on the rest of the two portions together, like so. And there's half the mask, and this you just basically have to do that all over again. Use the same pattern, cut it out again, angle them together, here's the eyes, and basically just tape them together after you have them all cut out. They should fit together. I also added an elastic band for it to fit around my head. I think I did that in the last one as well. Also, you're going to want to add some supports because it's going to be a bit flimsy, so I took this postage box, which you've been seeing as my background lately, or at least one of them, and I use that to secure the elastic in place and as well as to reinforce the endpoints, like so. Once you're sure everything's all connected, you can also cut and go on the outside, rearrange anything. Product, I added a little bit of a stretchy fabric. You can add elastic, but I ran out of thin elastic, so I added a stretchy fabric right there so it would go around my chin easier, and I cut out that mouth section because it's hard to breathe in that thing. I tried duct taping the side, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I didn't do that, and I didn't bother taking it off. And then I added all the posts, and there you go. That's your DIY Spider-Man face shell. That's all the spare time to share with you guys. See you guys next time.